So, doing this as a test, occasionally my microphone goes in and out, so just be aware of that. But this is demonstrating how to do the circuits in Tinkercad, and we're just going to tinker with one that I already have. It may take a moment to load. So with the circuits, you have all your components on the side. If you click this right here, it will tell you what your components do, and you can see them. There's many things that can be adjusted. For example, when you click on an LED, you can change the color. And you can add different components. You can even search components to see if they have it. Some of the components, you can switch how many batteries it has. So I mean, lots of different things. You can turn them around by pressing this button. And everything, so we have different things. And when we're ready, we can start the simulation. Some things can be adjusted within the simulation. And that is the basics of using the circuits on Tinkercad.